welcome aboard the Santa Ana Safari Express. We're having problems with our PA system, so if you can hear this message, a couple of safety reminders. Keep your hands and feet inside the cars the entire time the train's in motion. Also, no standing up in the cars, no rocking the cars, and no throwing anything out of the cars. Like a little brother or sister. If you cannot hear this message, then disregard it. Okay, first up on your right, we have the rabbit house, which is empty, because we have no rabbits. We had a couple, but they're no longer with us, because that's how rabbits are. Here today, gone tomorrow. And then we have the ducks. They're settled down after their late morning swim. They're getting ready to take their late morning nap. They take a lot of naps. They get up at the crack of dawn every day. We ask that you don't throw coins in the duck pond as they can choke the ducks. Besides, they have no need for money. They just put everything on the bill.
I thought there was going to be a tunnel. There is going to be a tunnel. They said there was going to be a tunnel.
And then we have the big red barn. That's where we keep the cows and the pigs, and upstairs we have a learning center. Pigs are extremely intelligent. They're the Albert Swinesteins of the farm animals. And down below here we have the turkeys and the chickens. They're always up to some sort of domesticated barnyard fowl play. Now that's entertainment. And next to my personal favorites, the goats. We've had 9 new baby goats born in the past few years, 3 sets of twins and a set of triplets. It's very rare. They're usually born in litters of 1.
Oh, yeah.
No kidding. Here and there with their cousins, the sheep. They just got back from the barber shop where they got their annual haircuts. They drove there in a used car.
They will be the tunnel later.
And then we have the owl house. If you're looking for laughs, they're always good for a hoot. And then we have the educational animals. Although I don't know why there aren't fish in there. They're the ones that spend all their time in schools. And of course, no farm would be complete without an iguana. Ours is on the left. Coming up on the tunnel now. The cool thing about the tunnel is that you yell as hard as you can while you're inside. It'll wake up back even louder. The kids. Kids, get back to mom and dad for all the times they yelled at you. The horseplay here in the zoo. There's only 800 like him in the whole world. And next on your right is the highly acclaimed, world-renowned Santa Ana Country. Actually, it's called Provincia de las Palmas, when I don't speak Spanish. Those large birds that look like ostriches are called rayas. Their names are Rhea Hook, Rhea Sunshine, Rhea Pearlman, Sugar Rhea, Rhea Romano, William Bluesman, Stevie Rhea Vaughn. They're in there with some members of the camel family called guanacos. They get their name from their favorite food, guanacamole. And as we round this turn on the left, you'll see the aviary, monkey row, and we're normally the zoo's biggest attraction, Kitty the elephant will be. My Kitty's on vacation. situation. Muscovy. We're starting on a downgrade now, or we'll reach the mind-boggling speed of 2.7 miles per hour. So hold on to your hands and watch out for whiplash. Also on your right, we have several types of rare and exotic cactus. I'll point them out for you. There's one. There's another one. There's a couple over there. And next on your left is the new home of the giant ant. There's a building next to it where we keep the giant ant. Anteaters hardly ever get sick because they contain lots of antibodies. Temperamental cow. He suffers from weight. So yeah, as we're going into the station, as I can, it's going to please remain until we come to a complete stop and exit the bank of the train. Thank you for riding the Blue Bar Express and enjoy your day.